how to use the appearance panel with the new Freeform feature in Illustrator CC 2019 for blending freeforms. So you don't actually have to use just a freeform on its own. Now the freeform is, just go over there, is a gradient, so you go to the gradient panel, you can see linear, you can see radial, and you've got, click there, and you've got freeform. Now, got a number of points, maybe 1 point, depends how it's actually set up and it's actually created. You can add points very quickly. And I've got other videos showing you actually how to add and remove, etc. So you can create a design there, just change the colours for each of those points. And what you can do, go to the appearance panel, and there's fill. You can actually add additional fills. You can add 3, 4, 5, might go a bit slower. You can delete the option, duplicate the item. But the key thing is actually just go to the move tool, and then you can see the actual design there, the path. Just go to the right side and duplicate item or add new fill. It's up to you, whatever. So you've actually got a gradient already, a freeform gradient already formed. So that's exactly identical to the other one. Go to the one that's at the top and maybe change it to difference, and you can see what happens. There's no difference between the two, so it ends up being black. Okay. What you need to do now is actually go to the gradient tool and then go to the freeform again, and you can then just quickly change that and edit. And as you move it around, you can see the colour. Now I'm not changing the colours at this point, I'm just going around, just moving the position so they're all exactly what they were before. You can also delete points, you can change the colours, and just change the colours there. You can go to any of the points and change the colours. Of course, you can change the colours of the underlying, and you can also change the colours of the one that's on top. As you say, just go for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever number of paths. And you can create really complex designs using that. You can also use different things, different blending modes. You don't have to use difference. You can use darken, you can use multiply, overlay, etc. as well by the blending modes. Now add a new fill. So you can just add a new fill, and this time, of course, it's just a solid colour. But what you can do, you can actually just go there to difference again, and you can just change the colour, or go to freeform again, and then just add another freeform, a very basic one, and move the points around again. Select the points, remove the points, change the spread, change the opacity, etc. You can do a whole range of different things. So change the colour there, create very complex or subtle designs. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.